Schwab? It was a bad accident. David Pasquale, Italian male model, suffered third-degree burns on his face the night of September 26, 2002. Special requests for special customers. Chef Mr. Pasquale, Cafe Diablo.
What? Ты паскудный фак, пидорас, что, блядь? Крыша, бля, болезненная проститутка, блядь. Что, блядь, сильный? Падла. Мама! Мама!
No charges will be filed, Mr. Pasquale, if you'd be willing to fill out a statement for that.
You're such an angry little man, you are. You know this, right? Well, so much hate.